Legit. So guys, we're actually currently contemplating whether to go in now, because it's empty, it's all boarded up, but
this is one unit of a board. All the tools.
Yeah, we're legit.
Let's test it, mate. It's fucking perfect.
But I think it's abandoned, right? Surely.
Yeah.
Stick together. Wait, what's the time? Wait, what if they don't smoke? We just hit this abandoned right now, guys. That's not too bad, you know. Here we go, guys. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Sorry.
Yeah, it just looks like someone's in the process of moving out.
Yeah, fuck. So guys, it's like abandoned, but technically not, I guess. Or maybe they didn't turn the lights on. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, that. They turned the lights on. I was like, oh, the lights don't even work.
Yeah, this one's on. Bro, this is only like a few days old.
There's the bando, guys. Now we're just heading off to the back sheds over this little bridge.
Imagine here.
But this all looks freshly mowed though.
There's fish in there and shit.
Oh,
Imagine just having
damn.
a fucking pond in your backyard.
Yeah, legit. Alright. Buy the property. Oh yeah, not bad. Not bad. It's like an old workstation. Yeah, not bad. Nothing special either. Looks cool. Nah, anytime I see a white ute, I'm just stepping back. You want to go all the way down there? Oh, have you been in there?
Yeah.
Any good or? So this must have been his office or of some sort. Not bad. Yeah, to see the other abandoned house from here we went to just before. Oh, you hear that? From down there. A gate opened. untouched. If you guys get this location, do not smash it up.